This is Senior Product Manager Derek Wood welcoming you to another Infrascale how-to video. In today's session, we're going to go through your first steps in starting your evaluation of the Infrascale system. So the first thing you'll notice is just the general layout of the Infrascale dashboard. After you have reset your password and log into the dashboard, you will see the management menu items at the top. So we have Manage, Monitor, Report, Applications, various settings, and then some help. Below you'll have some real-time updates as far as the important things that you should be paying attention to. So your top backup accounts as far as use space is concerned, the activities for your different backups, and uploaded files by count, size, and then by space allocated. And these will change over time as you start creating users. Throughout the dashboard, you'll notice we have a messaging system that will give you some pointers as far as how to use the monitoring system, how to use the MSI builder to mass deploy over Active Directory, and others. So as you go to each page for the first time, you'll get a little tutorial or an update for new features or questions about new features if we're looking for some feedback. And again, if you've already seen the message, just click the little blue mailbox icon at the bottom right here, and you'll be able to see the history of your conversations with us. So first, go to Manage, Backup Accounts, and create a backup account. Once you've done that, then you're going to want to download the application, which you can do here, or by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and selecting the appropriate installer. So whether it's a Windows device or a Mac, you'll be able to have an installer to do that. So let's go ahead and launch the software. Okay, the software is launched, and once logged in, you'll see this first screen. What you want to do first is come to your File and Folder Backup and hit the little wrench to configure your backup settings. Today we'll just go through the basic backup for a typical user. To make it very simple, we have this scanner step, which will scan all these different types of files in your computer. And you can specify to scan the entire machine or just the My Documents, My Pictures section. So we're going to deselect images, music, and video because not all of these are important for the business case. Now this is department to department, so maybe in marketing you would want images, music, and video, depending on what you're working on. But you can see very quickly if we select video or images, our backup set grows quite significantly. We select Next, and this will show us if we wanted to navigate to where the different files are found. It'll show us which files were selected for backup. So a blue square means something in this directory is selected, and then a checkbox would mean everything in this folder would be selected. We select Next because we've already identified these files. Then we're setting the schedule. If you're going to check the option to back up when the Windows user is not logged on, you would need to provide domain admin credentials for this machine. You can also run the backups every few hours, which is recommended. The initial backup will be the heaviest one, and it would be recommended to run the first backup overnight when the user is not logged on. Otherwise, running the backup every couple of hours will be rather insignificant to the user's performance. They may not even notice it. We select Finish, and then the backup's going to run. So here's our backup window, giving us the details of what's going to be protected. All right. Now back on the dashboard, once you've deployed out your backups, you're going to want to go into the monitoring page and follow the monitoring how-to guide so you can save time by having proactive alerts sent to you and your team when there's something you should pay attention to. Another recommendation is doing test recoveries. So we click here, View and Restore, and this is going to refresh a list of the machines that we've backed up under this account. So far it's just this one. And then from here we can go down and we can find various files. So we have this file on our desktop that's been backed up. So let's go ahead and recover. And we'll say new location. And we'll put it back to the desktop. And we can include the original path or not. Including the original path means it's going to start with the machine name here and include all the folder structure down to where the file is located. Here's our recovery window, and again the backup's running simultaneously with this. And here on my desktop, I can see the folder. And here's the PDF that we just recovered. So now we've done a backup and run a test recovery, and now you can set up your monitoring settings. For more information, visit infrascale.com or check out our YouTube channel for more self-help videos.